Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Apptivo for integrating with QuickBooks Online step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Apptivo. Press enter to navigate to the Apptivo homepage. Once the page has loaded, locate the login button. The login button is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address into the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Apptivo dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings menu, typically located on the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations section. Click on Integrations to view available options. Locate QuickBooks Online from the list of integration options. Click on QuickBooks Online to initiate the integration process. Follow the instructions provided to connect your Apptivo account with QuickBooks Online. You may be prompted to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your QuickBooks Online credentials as needed. Once authenticated, grant the necessary permissions for integration. Confirm the integration settings as per your requirements. After completing all steps, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. You can now start using Apptivo alongside QuickBooks Online seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.